Clarity's an interesting thing when the raw voices sing. All they need is another bell to ring. They say back home as the church bells ring, you can still hear their voices sing. And in the rumors and the stories they say, we all go to hell one day. And in the woods they say there lived a witch, and they did what they pleased. They say they seduced your daughters and killed your children. They'd say whatever they please. Back home when the church bells ring, you can hear the raw voices sing. And in your mind you'd have peace and fire competing on everything. It was tense in the churches and tense in the schools when you heard the voices say, don't you know that whenever you're alone, there's someone there today? They say that in the woods you could hear the church bells from several miles away. And in the woods they say there lived a witch who did whatever they pleased. They say they sold their soul. They say they were in control. They say they caused disasters. They say they did whatever they pleased, all after the first church bell rings. They say in the woods when the raw voices sing, you can hear the whispering creaks. And all of the voices say the same thing. Who are we to beseech? They know that clarity is a very interesting thing. They don't believe in your God. They don't care for your morals when they hear the church bells ring. Everyone knows that you're in control when you have no one to answer to, and clarity comes after the first drums as you march off to the answers to all the questions you asked. They gave you heart attacks. You didn't expect an answer from the witch when the church bells ring. They say it was a very interesting thing.